Bueno, vamos. My name is Steve Salcedo Padilla. I am from Magangue, Bolívar, and I am studying telecommunication engineering. Now I am going to talk about two problems which are affecting our country, Colombia. These are illegal mining and overexploitation of natural resources. Illegal mining developed in the country many years ago when some ethnic groups dedicated themselves to artisanal exploration. Gold and copper, illegally on land not suitable for the practice. Nowadays, mining activity is causing many problems to the environment. In Colombia. One of them is mercury, which is deposited in the rivers, generates harmful effect on the health on people who use the water. Another problem is how the mountains and cliffs of different regions are being exploited by sinkhole, destroying the land flora and fauna in their paths, causing an impoverishment of biodiversity in our country. At the same time, the overexploitation of natural resources in Colombia had intensified environmental problems such as erosion, climate change, global warming, natural disaster, water scarcity, depletion of vital resources, health problems, among others. With respect to the above, we can implement several solutions to combat illegal mining and the overexploitation of natural resources. For example, greater interaction by the corresponding authorities promote sustainable mining using technology, creating contingency plan, making citizens aware of ecological damage caused by these practices. On the other hand, promotes the culture of recycling, ecotourism, formation of environmental bridges. In this way, we can contribute to preservation of Colombia biodiversity.